Hi viewers, welcome to Rasam Vada. Today I am going to make a rasam with this banana stem. For that 300 grams banana stem I have chopped and put it in the mixie jar. I have already prepared rasam with this banana stem. Now this is another version. I have taken few coriander leaves with tender stem, pudina leaves, curry leaves and ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon. After washing the banana stem, I had put it in the water. So that water only I am using for grinding this to a smooth paste. Now how to cut the banana stem? For that you have to slice it like this. This is the very hard stem, that's the bottom stem it is, that's why it's very hard. And you just remove this. See the thread like substance you get, you just remove it like this. The use of this thread also I will tell you what to do with it. Just hold it like this and just roll it on your palm. Dry this and you can use this as a wick for lighting the lamp. So this way you have to remove the substance of that thread substance and then use it. Now the wick is ready here. You can light the lamp. As you are aware, all parts of the banana plant is used some way or the other. Now I'll see you after grinding this. In the meantime, I will heat the kadai. Now after grinding the banana stem, I am putting it in the strainer to extract the juice of that. We need only the juice. I have completely extracted the juice of this banana stem. Now see the residue, you can just throw this. This we don't need. With your hand you can just press it, all the juice comes out of it. The kadai is too hot, so I added half cup of water in that. Now the banana stem juice, I am adding it into the kadai. This is 3 petals of kokum. I added hot water and extracted the juice and added the rasam powder in it and mixed it. Now that also I am adding into this. This is 1 ladle full of masoor dal. You can use tur dal or moongdal, any dal you can use. Cooked and kept it. That also I am adding to the rasam. Now if you want, you can add tomato into this, or without tomato also you can make this. the required amount of salt. Now we will bring this to a boil. Now half teaspoon of jaggery goes into this. Mix well. Now this is done. We can remove this from the stove. Prepare for the tadka. For the tadka, I have taken quarter teaspoon cumin seeds and half teaspoon mustard seeds, ghee, half teaspoon of ghee, few curry leaves, you need a hing powder also. When the ghee is hot, add the mustard seeds. When it splutters, add the cumin seed, a pinch of hing powder and the curry leaf, and put the tadka in the rasam. Our banana stem rasam is ready to serve. Finally, garnish with coriander leaves and serve hot along with rice. You can drink this as a appetizer or soup. It's very healthy for everyone. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. After checking the rasam, I felt the sour taste is less, so I'm adding little lemon juice in it to bring the required flavor in it. You can see the other version of banana stem rasam in my channel. If you are watching for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and relatives.